Guys, real quick, for this prank, I turned the camera the other way to the wall instead of facing towards what was going on to us. So I'm so sorry, but trust me, this prank is epic. The audio is still there. It's epic. Trust me, you guys, you're gonna want to see this prank and watch it to the end. Trust me. I'm out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Jamaican Icy. So my friend is here visiting from Jersey, and you know I can't have her coming over here and not try to put a prank on her. So I have $20 here. I'm gonna accuse her of taking my money, and let's see how she's gonna react. So you guys, stay tuned. She's in the other room, so I can't talk too loud. Stay tuned, and I'm gonna catch her reaction. I see you guys. This one is gonna be epic. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, guys, and I'm gonna give away a pair of Jordans. So guys, keep watching. You could be the lucky winner of a pair of Jordans. I'm gonna see you guys on a prank.
A few moments later.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, come here for a second.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
Yo. Over here in the living room. Me have $20 over there, so.
Liar!
I can't find it, you see?
Who's that? Bro, y'all from me?
No.
Yes!
Come on, man. No, me have $20 over there, so.
This is over there.
Eh?
This over
Right, that's a man. You don't see $20? Hey, let me tell you, I see $20. The serious one, me have $20 I left it right, that's a bro. Eh? Over here, so me left him. Me I clean up the place. And me I say,
You did it right this one.
yeah. Me did right over here, so. But me I said earlier, me did leave the things them right there, so. And me left $20 there, so. That me I clean up the place. And me see one time you did come in. When me did go over, so, and you come in. And you grab your bag. So me don't know when you grab your bag. I say, me $20 missing. I say, yo, are you take me money back?
Bro, my grandma bang and 20
You take me money, brother.
Yeah.
No, if you take it, just say you take it.
What?
You laugh, man.
Oh, no 20
Bro, if you want the $20,
Jesus, sorry.
if you want the $20, me can give you the $20.
You asking like she had
I know. No, brother.
Come on, bro.
I don't like where this is going.
When you come in at the living room, brother, we see when you come. Brother, you never come in here.
So when I say I never come take the bag off.
Aye. So you pick up the bag.
The bag is the right yes I do, bro.
But me don't know where the bag there. Me see you come in here. And when we come in and look for the $20, me I say, John will start.
You take the $20 man.
Bro, you take me.
Really?
No, I will laugh. You know so not take the $20. You know
No,
now.
and you take the money. You take my money, brother. Yo, me serious, you know?
I didn't see $20.
And I
You take me, you thief my money, brother.
Yeah, can't. I prank this to Rob. Because you
No,
know
bro.
you
No,
know
this
me
is
not.
not a prank.
Bro, you know me not.
Oh, me fi know that. Me see you come in here. Me see you come in
You're
here.
not that guy.
The money missing.
Nah, God, that me got a night, bro. You know me not take no $20.
The $20 missing, bro. So which part the money gone?
Me, I come from too far from me, I take the $20. What me I do with $20, bro?
That's what me I say. If you want the money, you just they
Me
tell
don't
me
need
say
that
you want the $20.
$20 for the what, bro?
I don't know. Maybe you need camera or something for tomorrow.
$20, yeah. They want to come
Bro.
to kill me. $20, bro.
Yo,
Bro, me not.
yo, I want my money, man.
I want the camera. Because you know me not take
Camera?
You know me not take
Which camera? I have no camera. Hey, you know something? I have no camera.
You serious?
I have no camera.
No, but for a real no, you know me not take the 20. I'm not touching about the money.
And that's a fact.
Not my style. $20?
I better you go on in. I don't want no thief in my house.
Yeah, right.
Watch out.
Bro, when
Yeah,
you
I
know.
better you go on.
Alright, look how me I come here. When you see me last, me come here and see me and see no homie, so.
But me tell you, yes, I'm me and you there, you know.
But why have to
Me and
be
you
me?
in here.
But why have to be me?
Because I'm me and you there with a well sit up a bit.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom.
Remember the show we I watched since night?
I can't.
Listen, remember the show we I watched since
I
night?
can't.
Somebody can come
Somebody
to the
can't
wall
choose
and
it.
take it now.
What?
Remember the show we I watched since night?
Brother, don't up in
No. The spirit.
Oh my God!
Yeah,
You know
I
who
can't go sure now.
No, you don't know who they
Sure.
in there before you.
Sure,
Remember,
brother.
Spirit
No,
can
sir.
come through the wall, bro, and take this.
No.
Me help you look for your $20. Me even give back a
You look-
$20,
you
but me not
look
take
fit.
no $20.
No, but a principle thing.
Of course, I think.
If me can put on money in my own house and me have, you know,
But we are not
visitors, and if you go take $20 from me, dogs, no, sir, I better you
No,
go
me
back.
not, bro, me not
I
take
bet-
that
I better you go back at your yard.
Aye. So now the night you're gonna rain. Go back $20 where you can't afford. So you probably
Brother,
misplaced
I
the
swear
$20
no.
just like you misplaced your pads.
Are you sure about that?
No, me know me left my money right there, sir.
We saved your money, bro.
Right over here, sir, brother.
Are
right
you
over
delusional? Do you suffer from a mental illness?
here. Over here, sir, me left my
Bro,
money.
then right this up.
Exactly, right next to it. Right next to
But
it.
me
there.
just spent $20 sitting there all night.
But me don't know. Me left it there. Me know say me left it there, brother.
No, play, man. Come in the
No, me not play,
No,
me serious, bro.
The $20 went there.
I better
You have to look again, man. You have to look
I
again.
better you go back at Jersey tonight, brother. No, me serious, yo. No,
Stop it. Get some help.
the money missing.
Say, God knows serious.
No, call pan God pan them things, me nah call pan God.
Bro, I can't swear me not see that $20. Me not touch no $20.
You never said $20
Me not see no $20 since night, yes, sir. I the smoke and the charger, me dey charge my phone and the remote. Me not see no $20.
Yo, me left me $20 right, that's all, brother.
But $20?
$20.
Jesus have mercy.
And if you can come here and thief $20. I don't want to me yard, brother. I better you go back to Jersey tonight. In the rain, in the cold.
You know me not touch your $20.
Yo,
Okay, no me not gonna touch your thing.
brother.
I need $20
So
to
all the
ask
money
you.
missing,
I
all
say,
the
yo,
money
bro, I
missing.
can get a $20.
All the
All
money
this
missing.
no, bro. All this time I come here and the money not missing. So I know me come take $20, bro.
Are you stupid or something?
I know, yeah, but you don't know this will go.
So long. Me and you $20.
$20, bro. That me I say to
I
myself.
got you $20.
That me I say.
If you come between me, no,
that me I say $20.
How me not crackhead? $20.
That me I say to myself, to brother. $20.
You have to flip them coach here and look for that $20. Come in, touch
Me
the
look
money.
everywhere. That's why I call you, you know. Cause me look everywhere.
But me
That's
back
why me
there, so
call you.
all me no know, so you find the $20, you trying to flip it.
What?
All me no know,
What?
all me no know you have your $20, and you try to flip it.
What do you mean? So all me fit have $20 and I try to flip it like, what do you mean? Flip it. Flip it how?
Me no know, like.
Me find like say me find the
I have a
$20.
reverse sarcasm.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Say you thief it?
Yeah, you know me not touch them. You know me not touch
But
them.
how me fi do that?
Me
Me
not-
fi
me not-
find
me not
something and
take
then say me not find it, but me I
No,
say you have it. No, brother,
No.
me never find it and that's why me call you.
$20. Oh, you just just happen to have $20 right there. So me I sit down. $20, bro. $20. Bro, $20.
$20 me left right
I'm
there.
not even I to make money for you. $20 me.
And me and you one day in here, you know.
Bro, no, bro. But how long since I come here?
Yeah, I come here for a while now.
Alright.
And that me I said.
Hold on. We're not dead it yet. We're not dead it yet.
You know the rules, and so do I.
Me I come since now I saw, right?
Right.
I know she has saw. I almost bigger than the two away. And you said $20, bro. $20?
$20.
No, sir, that's not something I sing, so you know me not touch about the money. 20. But you can't put $1 million you say you still gonna come back and see.
Yeah,
You're probably gonna come back and see it with change.
We don't
Me probably gonna add on.
We don't talk. My money shouldn't be missing right now.
No,
brother.
sir, I play with mama. Come here, touch about the money.
We not play with you, brother.
Nah, just.
We not play with you. Me search everywhere. Me look in between the couch. We check my pocket. We check everywhere. Over here, so. Cause over there, so.
So that was a fucking lie.
Me I say, sometime when you leave your car and then tow your car and you come and you know say this where you left your car.
Your market yourself.
And you say, no man, we know me left my car, you so.
No man, you get old man because
No
you know
man,
me not touch your money.
Nah, get up with $20 missing. With $20 missing and me I work off a principle. So guess what?
But you know when I never touch your money for you, why would I touch it? When I want a piece of ice water, make an ask you for.
Well, you know, ask me.
I come here, but I don't show you.
Well, you know, if you ask me if you want water, if you
but I show you that, bro.
You know, if you ask me
and
that.
I'm been come here, but even when I want something, I'm going to say because it's just a principle. I just me that. I just all grew up. So I'm not going to see a man money or anything I ask to feel. Even though I know you're going to give me time, I'm not going to just sit and take it over and ask you.
It's treason, then.
Like bro, water, sure, I'm not going to go in your closet and take it out. Even though that I don't know. But that's just a principle man for ask.
Yeah, brother.
So with $20, bro, no sir, bro. We are going too far for now because $20.
That me I say, but
you know me now touch about the things.
yo.
Especially your thing, bro. Like if you look at your head, man, like if you got a deal with $20.
$20, bro.
You know your own place. Me come here, come take it. Yeah.
Alright, let's see your money there, you know.
Bro, I see years ago. You wanna lie? I take my car and yes and I'm not going nowhere else. Yes, I'm still, you know. Tiggy said, yo, Tracy, in the sea, I said, alright. I'm gonna take out my bag, I'm gonna go.
And then me over there, so I go back and forth.
But over there, so I'm still, I'm not come back in here, I'm gonna take the bag.
You come back in here,
yes, I pass, and you pass me, I'm the bag, you the right, so I'm not to come back on here, so.
You don't know where you come, car.
When you come out, you are coming in, and I'm gonna come take the bag from here, so out of the way. Come here, so in there, so I just come take the bag out of here, so.
Why, I know my brother, but.
So someone have to come back in there, see if you're not
I
in there.
know it's $20 missing, and I write next to you it there. So.
No, but when I take the $20, we can't help you look for the $20. Me help you look for it. Me would help you look for it all night. Just to show you something, I take the $20. I can't got to set up in there, so
no,
can't.
I bet you go back to Jersey tonight.
Tonight?
Yeah.
No.
Yes, brother.
So I'm not going to get back to Jersey now.
We don't know they have transportation, taxi, car.
Get
out of my car now!
You drop me at the train station?
We drop you at the train station.
Alright.
We drop you at the train, bro.
Alright, bro.
Jersey tonight.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Who's laughing now?
Where you going, bro?
Got him! Got him!
I was acting.
Where you going? Huh? You know I say, me I start a YouTube channel and me I pull prank. And you come on my yard and expect nothing.
Oh, he needs some milk! I got
You prank me on me yard.
You come on my yard and expect not to get pranked.
You crazy son of a bitch, you did.
just tell friend I say I'll leave your place because I can't bother you mean me. No man.
Tracy, you really like sharp practice?
But she convinced me to take her 20 and I know she not touch her body money.
Is it possible to learn this power?
It's a simple spell, but quite unbreakable.
Not scientifically possible! You're a little confused, but...
We don't do that here.
It's like saying the show we are watching 6 night. It's like the show we watch 6 night. You convince them, man. You don't touch the money. And you say me have to go back on my yard tonight. So now my yard me and come go. I'm just saying me I'll leave. She said, what you mean I'll leave? I said, man, go on my yard. I'll leave at the real country kids and you know me now touch the money here, bro. No, stop. But we can't even sleep in peace, bro. So this is how every time I come in. We can't even sleep in peace.
It's a convince she take the 20.
Sometimes my genius is... It's almost frightening.
What's obvious?
Let me see which one you're giving me.
Just for me pranking her tonight, guys. I give her a pair of sneakers. You match your shirt because you match your shirt. You match your outfit, that's why.
Good. I can't even see it. Yeah, man, I'm at the blue night, so yeah. Good look, bro.
Yeah. So, guys, not everybody I prank is going to get a pair of sneakers, alright?
You gotta be special. Come in the closet and pick it out. Yeah. I know someone get dressed. I'm gonna send you a picture.
Yeah.
I say, yeah, bro.
Yeah, definitely.
My shoes, and I have it.
Yeah.
Oh,
yo, guys.
Yeah, bro, you get me. So, guys, just make sure it's on the like, subscribe, share, comment, and make this shit go to 1,000.
Yo.
So she can give us something. But I get prank. Yeah, I get prank. Come from Jersey and get prank.
Yo, guys, if this ain't a epic bossed prank,
you get me, bro. $20 me.
Make sure you go like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so anytime I drop them videos, yeah, you guys tune in. Like I said, guys, I'm giving away a pair of Jordans when I get to 1,000. So I hope you guys tune into the videos. So that way you guys can find out how you could be the lucky winner. So yeah, guys. And if you're new to the channel, I want to welcome all the newcomers. I hope you guys tune into the rest of my videos. And until I put out some more content. Alright, so I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Bro, fuck with that. You prank me. Me and a friend again. You prank me. Me and a friend again. Can't believe
Whoa.
me safe.
Hey, nobody not safe. She thinks she did safe. No, you're not safe at all.
Another one.